Hello everyone, this video is to show you how you can remove company, workshop or maybe some conference logos that they put on the bags or backpacks which they give you. Of course, many would not like to remove the logo or the name of the conference and rather wish to keep it as a memory. But just in case you want to get rid of that print, this video is for you. Well, I actually myself was trying to figure out a way to do it in a clean manner, and I came up with this idea which pretty much does the job without needing much of stuff. So let's see how it can be done. Well, all you'll be needing is a double-sided tape and a pair of scissors, of course, and that's all I guess you will need to do the job. We'll cut out a piece maybe about an inch long. The gum on these double-sided tapes are pretty strong and they're not like the normal cello tapes that we use, and this strong gum is what we will use to pull out or to peel off the paint from the bag. This is how it's done. For maximum utilization, of course, we'll be using both the sides. I guess the strength of the gum in that one is pretty much exhausted. Time to get a new one. There you go, pretty much removed. Here's how it was before, and this is how it looks once the job is done. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day and see ya.